everyone, I am Crystal with Westwood Gardens. I am here today to show you how to make a layered sand succulent planter. It is a great way to bring gardening indoors when it is cold outside. You are going to need, to make this planter, you're going to need 3 different colored sands. I am using blue, a darker gray, and a white color. We have several different colors to choose from here at Westwood. A small glass container to plant your succulents in, a larger glass container, cactus soil, succulents, and some paper to guide your sand into the planter. I'm using just a piece of cardboard paper. I'm going to be using 2 different types of cacti and 2 different types of echeverias today. You can use whatever succulents you like best. I'm using these because I like the different color contrasts. First, I'm going to start by planting up my succulents. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my smaller container into the larger one. Make sure that you get it good and centered. Get your piece of paper, and that way you can guide the sand down in. I think I'll start with blue. And the best part about doing a layered sand succulent is that you don't have to get your sand straight. That's what gives it its good effect. Okay, now we have reached the top of your smaller succulent planter in the middle there. The last thing we want to do is water in the succulents. Now, it's important not to overwater your succulents when there's no drainage holes. And that's it. Again, I'm Crystal with Westwood Gardens. Good luck in the garden.